Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open your SafePal app. Make sure the cryptocurrency you hold is Bitcoin, since Cash App only supports Bitcoin transfers. If you have a different coin, tap the Swap option. Choose your current crypto at the top and Bitcoin at the bottom, then enter the amount and confirm the swap. Once completed, your Bitcoin balance will be updated. Now, open your Cash App and tap the bank icon at the bottom. Scroll and select Bitcoin, then tap Deposit Bitcoin. Here, you'll see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Tap Copy Address. Return to the SafePal app and go to your Bitcoin wallet. Tap Send and paste the address you just copied into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, for example, 0.005 BTC. The app will show the equivalent value in your local currency. Next, choose the network fee. Higher fees process faster, while lower fees take longer. Select the fee option that suits you and tap Next. Review the transaction details carefully, including the address and amount. Then confirm the transfer. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from SafePal to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.